So, good morning, everyone. We got the goodies. All right. Well, it's a special case because I've been waiting for this accessories, I would say, 4 or 5 months now. And so, even though, again, we know that the way that the back orders right now are globally, and the supply crunch, etc., and the lack of materials from producers, etc. Again, possibly everyone has a horror history on delays, I guess, but still. So what we got here? Well, these are black CNC aluminum levers, both brake and the clutch. They are adjustable and foldable. So as you can see here, for example, this is the brake lever. Again, hopefully that's visible. So I chose the black one with the red slider for the positioning of and I like it because it's minimal. It looks great. And that's of course for the clutch side. Now we're gonna do a quick unboxing and then put it on the bike later today, or again when I get the time, I'll see. And so in my case, what was missing was the adapter for the clutch. So I think this is one, or this one. Yeah, this is one. So this one was the one that was missing from the vendor here, and this was produced. This was not even available for order by Puig. So we waited for them to actually pass through the whole manufacturing process for us to order it. So what we got here, so just for anyone that is not familiar with how aftermarket levers work about, so you can buy the exact lever for your bike, I guess, that is produced exactly for your bike, which comes one piece, I would say. Or as I did by choosing Puig, you can buy the levers themselves. There are I would say across the board. They can be used for any bike. And then what you do, you buy the adapters for your bike. So that's that's the approach. Now this could mean the following. So possibly they are a bit more expensive than if you buy the lever as one, I guess. Not sure, again, depending on the brand, but still, in case you change your bike, well, all you need to do is change and you are happy with the levers, of course, you can just change the adapters and you're ready to go. You don't need to buy the levers again. So you know what, let's give it a try and open it, and then we're gonna go to what we got from Kriega, which is also something quite promising, I believe. I saw it in a YouTube video and I liked it. So let's open the first one now. Yeah, I should be more proactive and brought a scissor or something, but yeah, let's remove this. So I just want to understand how that looks like. And sorry about the background noise. It's just fruit sellers around the neighbor with the cars and going up and down. That's how it works here. So let's see what we got here. So now right now we are opening the clutch cable lever, so let's open it. So we got the lever itself. Let's leave it here for a moment. What else we got here? So we got I guess, yeah, explain, I guess, yeah, all the product line, I believe, is here. All right, not sure I'm gonna need this, so I'm gonna leave it on the over there. And then this is quite important, I would say, specifically for the clutch side. So this is how you put it on place. And yeah, I like that it looks like a Triumph interface control. So yeah, oh, we're gonna have a lot of fun here. No, it doesn't look like a Triumph interface, it's a generic one. So that's great, we're gonna use this later on. Let's just very briefly see the quality of it. So let's see how it looks. So it's CNC machined aluminum. The quality seems, let's see, whoa, yeah. Oh, I like it. Yeah, it looks great. And this is how it folds. Yeah, you need some effort in order to go up. I mean, I put some pressure, and now it goes up. So I was just thinking, you know, when I'm riding, whether it's gonna move or you know, it's gonna be somehow not stable on my hand. So yeah, I don't see that happen. There is a small movement here, quite. Yeah, not sure whether I'm gonna experience that so I'm not sure whether it's visible. So before even folding it, so if you, there's a small movement here, this, so that's the movement. Yeah, I'm not sure whether that's gonna play a role or not. And then let's see how you change positions here. Oh, it needs a lot of, yeah, it feels great. It feels so accurate and so sturdy, the mechanism itself. Yeah, it looks great. It looks great, actually. Yeah, I can't wait to put it on the bike. All right, so that's the clutch lever. Put it on the end. And what else? I guess this was, and then we got the brake lever. I guess it's the same thing. Let's quickly see it, and then we'll go to the adapters and try and explain what exactly, how they combine, I'd say. You know what, let's open the, so right now we have the clutch lever, and now let's go to its adapter. So this is about the brake, and this is about the clutch. So if we open it, all right, let's open it now. This is what we were waiting for a couple of months now, or more, I'd say. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what Puig made for us. Just a little piece of equipment. And let's see what we got in here. Yeah, it says how it connects. Yeah, so this is very important now in the, when I'm gonna, this is what I